What's going on, fam? Coach Jason here and back with another video. Now this one is super important to me because right now we're playing in a world where there are multiple diseases and it just seems like new ones just keep forming every day. Now my question to you is, could there be a system in place, or has there already been a system in place developed for us to first of all not fall susceptible to these diseases, or if we fall, reverse these diseases? Let me submit to you that there is. In fact, let me read this quote for you. You guys can see it on the screen. It says, "Disease is an effort of nature to free the system from conditions that result from the violation of the laws of health." So it tells me before there is any disease, there are a chain of events. Let's just go ahead and break this thing down really quick. So if we put disease on the far end, if you can see it on my screen here, on the far end, before that disease, there was a system or freeing of the system. We just call it system freeing. Now, what was the system being freed from? It was being freed from conditions. Why did these conditions develop? Because there was a violation of what? The laws of health. So the first question we probably need to ask are, what are the laws of health? And follow me for more. We're going to be diving into this thing as we unpack this. Take care and have an awesome day.